a while since I did a video, so this should be a good one, hopefully. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It helps the channel out a lot, allows me to purchase the things that I display on the channel and do the filming on this channel. If you already have a subscriber, please hit that bell icon. You get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. Okay, what I'm going to do in this video is I got a new toy. Well, it's kind of a new toy. I didn't want to get it, but I had to get it. This here is the Black & Decker mouse. Okay, this one here is well over 20 years old. Actually, well over 21 years old. I purchased this when we were building my oldest daughter's nursery. She's now a senior in college. This is a great sander, or I should say was a great sander. It died on me the other day. I was so upset. This thing works great. I mean, no problems with this thing. Over 20 years I had this thing and I used it regularly. So my wife and my daughters went out for me on Father's Day and they replaced it. This is a newer model. Not sure how much better it is, how much worse it is, but let's see if I can get 20 years out of this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this box. I'll see what's inside of it, and I'll do a comparison up against the old mouse. So let's go check it out. Okay, so what we have here is the Black & Decker mouse detail sander. It's model number BDEMS600. It's got a 2-year limited warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. This was purchased at Home Depot. Okay, warnings. Read the manual. Always read the manual. Always got to check safety. And basically just compact size into tight spaces. There's not much information about the sander itself. Says it has a three-position grip, ease of use in many applications, different languages. The dust collection, that's the one thing that this has that the other sander didn't. So we'll see. We'll see how it works. It's a 12-amp motor, only works on 120. Yeah, I mean it's basically the same thing from what I understand. I just hope that it's as good of quality as the other sander was, because like I said, 20 years, you don't get that anymore from any tool, no matter how much you spend. So let's break this open. Let's see what's inside. Now, just warning you, if you are new to this channel, I have very shaky hands. Okay, I apologize for it. There's nothing I can do about it. I have what's called familiar tremors. So the only thing that I can do is basically get drunk and my hands are steady as a rock. So I'm not going to do that working with power tools. Just so you know, I'm not having a seizure or anything like that. My hands have been this way since I was 3 years old. Anyway, let's get back on this. On the back is the warranty, information about the warranty in different languages. Explaining this Black & Decker. Telling you what comes with it. It's the sander, 2 sanding sheets. You get a detail finger attachment, and actually you get 2 detail one finger attachment and 1 sanding sheet. So just typical. So what side did I just open? It was this one. Wow. All right, so let's break this open. Let's see if I have to put anything together. Nope, doesn't look like I have anything to put together. So, it's pretty basic. We got they call it hook and loom because you can't use Velcro because that's a trademark. But it's hook and loom, the sanding pads attached to it. And like I said, comes with 2. Right here, and then the finger attachment. The finger attachment, that's get into corners. I probably won't use that much. Also inside, You have your instruction manual, but like I said, looks similar. The only difference is the dust collection here, which is actually a good thing. So let's do a little comparison here. All right, so here's the two sanders. Pretty much the same. This one, the new one's a little bit bigger. It's got a little bit better of grip because the old one, after you sand it for a while, you were holding on these grips here. Your hand got really tired. So I think this grip here be a little bit better. Yeah, actually be able to hold it a little bit better. So I like that one, that a little bit better. I hate these twist ties. I say it in all my videos, whoever invented them, I'd love to kick them. So, get this untangled. And we're going to reach over here. Plug it in. And if you have headphones on, you might want to turn the volume down. This might be loud. Not bad. Turns right on. Like I said, it's basically the same as this. So what I'm going to do is I've got a cruddy piece of sandpaper on this. And as you can see, taking off, that's the detail. Just pop it on this one. Okay. And I'm going to get a scrap piece over here. This here is some cherry. Let's see what we get on it. What I liked about this one here a little bit better than this is the on-off was right at my fingertip. Where with this one here, it's back here. But let's see. Not bad. Right here, there's a line. Let's see if I can take it off with this. Not bad. It came right off. Went against the grain, so let's smooth. Let's turn this around so I don't take some skin off my finger. Not bad, nice and smooth there. Okay. Got a little dust on the top here, but most of the dust is going inside here. See a little bit of dust on the bottom. The dust, and in any power tool, the dust collection isn't great, but it's got to be better than what I had. See what it does on this edge here, because this edge is a little rough. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, I do like it. Like I said, the handle on it like this, it's a lot more comfortable than with the old one. Because holding it like this, your hand get tired really quick, and I've almost dropped it a couple of times. Actually, I probably have. But I'm going to have to retire this. I'm going to sad to see it go because I think it still works. I think it's just this power switch is gone. But like I said, this thing does not owe me any money. I got this over 20 years ago and it's worked really well. I've used it from sanding down everything from some pine woodwork all the way up to cutting boards made out of walnut, cherry, and maple. So it's done a really good job. So like I said, it really does not owe me anything. One of the things I hope works, and just looking, I think it might not, is the old one came with this case here. And this was nice to keep it in, but I don't think it's going to fit. There's probably going to be a lot of dust on this thing. I mean, I still have the original plates for it. I'm hoping this fits in here. This would be nice if it did. You can see down here, I don't know whether it gets it. That's how it's got to go in, so. Does it? It's too big. Darn it all. Oh well, that's not going to work. So like I said, you can see here, it's just a little bit too tall to fit in there. I was kind of hoping I got lucky there. I didn't. But anyway, this should be a pretty good tool. I mean, hopefully I get as much use out as the old one. We'll see. In any case, I'm going to have to get rid of this case, unfortunately. I don't know, I might hold on. Maybe something else will fit in it. Oh, that stinks. But, yeah. So I'm happy. Do some projects, and then I'll do some recording and show you how it works. All right, everyone. That's it. That's the unboxing and first demonstration of the Black & Decker mouse detail sander. I'll put it through its runs and work with it over the next couple of weeks, and I'll come back with another video to show you whether it's worth it or whatnot. It's only about, I think it was like $35 for it, so the price alone is worth it. I mean, it's $35 for a sander. Would I recommend this for someone doing commercial work or a lot? No, you'll burn that thing out quick. But for home use, do it yourself, that'd be a great sander. I'd recommend it for that. Like I said, the old one lasted 20 some years. And right now it's like getting rid of an old friend. But like I said, I used that to build my daughter's nursery before she was born, and right now she's going to be a senior in college. So that's how long I've had it. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I do apologize. It's been so long since I've done a video. Not by choice. I've had family issues that have kept me away from being able to videotape anything or to review anything. It's been tough. But I'm back, and hopefully all of those issues are gone. I won't have to deal with them anymore, and I'll be able to do more videos like this for you guys. So, like I said, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help the channel out. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. You know I appreciate you guys. Hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure notifications are allowed. I'll see you guys again soon.